Hello, hello. I'm Apostle Bronson. And my name is Giselle. Wow, you look beautiful tonight. Same to you, Bronson. You look handsome as ever. I love your clothes. No, I can do this too. I can be a girl. Anyway, what are we doing? Ay, tama. We have to introduce the other host. Sino kaya yon? Teka lang, teka. I think I know who it is. Ito, si Rafi! Ano ngayon? Right now, we're going to explain the importance of having deaf leaders. Deaf youth, especially. We're trying. Rafi is going to introduce himself. Okay. Teka lang. Sandali lang ha. Siyang guard ko. Thank you for taking care of my papers. Diba ngayon, sinabi nila na ako ay former president of the Filipino Deaf. It's funny that when they introduced me, right now I am trying to encourage more deaf to become advocates themselves so that our community can develop and grow. Introduction. This is my sign name. And right now, I want to advocate and let you know about the events and issues that are going to happen within our community. Abagan po. Right now, I just wanted to say, have a good evening and enjoy the show. Oy, hindi lang ikaw ang mag-a-advocate ha, mamaya ako. Okay, sige, mamaya na. Alright, this is Bronson. So anong gagawin natin ngayon? Raymond Ilagan. He is the overall head coordinator for Pinoy Deaf Pink Association. Oh, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you, friends, family, community members, gay, lesbian, straight, supporters. Thank you for coming to support. practice. Wow, ang galing naman nila. Palakpakan po natin. This is proof that death can. Good evening.
First of all, gusto kong magpasalamat for inviting me here. It is my honor to be part of this event. Makita kayo lahat. Gusto ko lang malaman yon na paghihirap, mga problems, gano'n. Pero pag nakikita ko kayo and still striving to live a happy life for you and for your family and loved ones, it inspires me. So, gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo na continue to savor the gift of life. Dahil lahat tayo, just share each moment together because you all inspire me.
Hello everyone.
Seems matching tayo ah.
Siguro, hayaan mo yung na lang aside.
Okay. Ang ganda naman ang dress mo.
Yes, I love it. Please take this back for me.
Okay. Would you move over here with me? Also, the theme is Filipiniana. So the contestants themselves made all of the materials out of recycled things. Di ba babaho yun?
They cleaned it already, I guess, before. And it's very amazing how they did it. And it is a representation of the deck.